Welcome to this information session on the MSc in Construction Management. This is a course that's aimed at upskilling your construction management and leadership skills to help you excel in what's a really challenging, exciting and rapidly evolving sector. My name is Dr. Brian McGee. I'm the course director for this MSc, and I will welcome you onto this course in the next academic year. If you're watching this information session, you've maybe got a few questions, and I'm going to address some of those hopefully just now. So I'm going to talk about where the course will be delivered next academic year. How does Ulster University rank in this field? I'm going to talk about the industry and professional support for this MSc course. I'm going to talk about course delivery, what modules you'll take, and how you'll be assessed. And if you have questions at the end, I'll point you towards other resources that will hopefully help you find all of the information you need. So why do an MSc? Why study at Ulster? Well, the benefits are many. We're aimed, as I said, at developing your career. Our aim is to strengthen your links with industry and potential employers, to bring personal fulfillment, maybe to enable you to convert your skills from a slightly different undergraduate degree focus. But we're all about upskilling you and giving you a competitive edge in employment. And these benefits are quantifiable. Whether you're already in employment or whether you're seeking employment, your chances of progression and your earning potential can only benefit from studying with us at UU. So in terms of this MSc course in Construction Management, as you may know, Ulster University is just ready to open its new Belfast campus, and the Belfast campus will be opening in September. However, this particular course is scheduled to be delivered in the Jordanstown campus for semester 1. And this is to maximize our operational activity as a school, and also it strengthens our responsiveness to COVID regulations just now. And then comes semester 2, so after Christmas, the course and our school will be moving to the Belfast campus. So if you're joining the course in the next academic year, starting in September, the first semester will be delivered in Jordanstown. And then after Christmas, the second semester and third semester of the next academic year will be delivered in the brand new state-of-the-art Belfast campus. So that's really something to be excited about. Now, Ulster University has a long track record of delivering an MSc course in this area. We've been delivering this course, albeit under a slightly different name at times, for many, many years. And we also teach construction management related courses at undergraduate level. And according to the Complete University Guide, Ulster University ranks 4th in the UK currently within this construction and building discipline. And if you have a look at this table, you can see some of the measurements that are used to rank by the Complete University Guide. So student satisfaction and the quality of our teaching and our research are really important factors to leading to our high ranking. One of the issues, or one of the major benefits of studying this course, is our commitment to you as a student. And regularly, this course and the other construction courses within Ulster rank really highly in terms of student satisfaction, which we take great pride in. And one of the reasons for that, particularly at MSc level, is the commitment of the staff and the experience of the staff. So if you join this course, you'll be taught by staff who have well over 85 years of combined industry-based experience. So these staff members have worked in the public sector for key clients, key construction clients, and also in the private sector, both as consultants and for contractors. So this combination of academic excellence and industry experience really brings a strong benefit to this course, and we regularly get positive feedback from the students with regards to the applied nature of the teaching based on real case studies and real-time experience. So the teaching staff will support you in everything that you do and provide a really good experience. In addition, this MSc course is overseen by a high-profile industry liaison panel. So all of the major companies in Northern Ireland play a part in how this course is run, and they contribute to the course as and when they can in terms of guest lectures, site visits, etc. So all of the major companies and major professional bodies are involved in ensuring that this course is topical and being delivered to a very high standard. As a result, the MSc in Construction Management is professionally accredited by the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors. So if you're interested in progressing your career and becoming a chartered member of RICS, this course is perfectly aligned. Equally, all of the other major construction bodies recognize this course as contributing towards professional membership in their areas as well. So really strong backing from industry is one of the main benefits of this course. In terms of what you'll be learning, the course is based around 6 core themes, and these are all central to the delivery and management of construction projects. So management of people, projects, fiscal matters, the law, leading teams and leading people and leading projects, resolving disputes, and procuring and financing projects. These are the core themes of your learning, and it's delivered at MSc level. So as a student getting involved with this course, you'll be encouraged and supported to push your knowledge in these areas, and we'll be looking for you to become an independent learner and to display your ability to think logically and laterally and to make reasoned decisions and to have an investigative spirit, particularly when you move on to do the dissertation element of the course. So against that background, if we have a look at the course structure, the course is delivered both in full-time mode and part-time mode. So this slide is showing the course structure in its full-time mode. And in full-time, the entire course is completed in 1 academic year. And in so the academic year has 3 semesters. Semester 1 commences in September and runs through to January. And in that time, you will pick up these 4 taught modules. So project management, project leadership for construction professionals, procurement of infrastructure in major projects, and construction legal studies. Each of those are worth 15 academic credits. You'll then move to semester 2 and you'll pick up another 4 taught modules. And these are infrastructure, finance and investment, organization and management, thinking differently, contract communication and dispute management, and built asset management. You'll then progress into semester 3, which is from May to September, where you'll undertake a personalised research dissertation project where you can take the opportunity to really focus on an area of interest to you and to work closely with a supervisor who will guide you through that learning and development process. I should also say that there is an opportunity, if you're watching this, to not commence the course in semester 1, which is the conventional time to start the course, but you can, if it suits your personal circumstances, to commence the course in semester 2. So starting the course in January rather than September. And if you did that, you would undertake all of the modules in semester 2 initially. You would then undertake the semester 1 modules in the following year and pick up the research and design dissertation module afterwards. So that is an option, and you can discuss that with us if it's of interest. So that's the course delivered in full-time mode. We also deliver it in part-time mode. So this is the same suite of modules. The only difference is that they're being taken over a period of 3 years rather than 1 year. So we're reading this diagram sideways. So here we have year 1, and in year 1, you'll do 2 modules in each of the 2 semesters, 1 and 2. In year 2, the same, 2 modules in each of the 2 semesters. And in the final year, you'll do your research, design, and dissertation module. So whether you do it in part-time or full-time, you ultimately get the same qualification, the MSc in Construction Management. Should you decide just to do 4 modules in either full-time or part-time mode, you can qualify with a postgraduate certificate in construction management. If you decide to do just 8 taught modules, you can qualify with a postgraduate diploma in construction management, and completing all of the modules will lead to the MSc. It's maybe also worth noting that each of these modules, certainly all of the taught modules, can be taken individually in a CPD mode. So if you're watching this presentation and now is not the right time to commit to an entire course, but you see a module of interest to you in that suite of modules, please get in touch and you can apply to join 1 or a couple of modules and leave with certificates, module certificates for that work. Okay, in terms of the way the course is delivered, and this it's for both part-time and full-time delivery. The course is block taught. So instead, if you consider a given semester, let's say this diagram is looking at a breakdown of semester 1. Each semester is comprised of 18 weeks, and instead of you having to come in every day in every week for lectures, you come in 4 intensive blocks. So the first intensive teaching block is week 1 of semester, and if you're in full-time mode, that will comprise coming in every day from effectively 9 to 5. So that 1 week of block teaching will then lead into 2 weeks with no face-to-face teaching, where you have an opportunity to reflect on your learning, to start your coursework and just engage with fellow students, etc. And then that will be repeated with a block teaching delivery in week 4, in week 7, and in week 10. And then carefully interspersed within that timeline will be the assessment work that you have to hand in So that'll be carefully planned so that you're not doing multiple assessments in the 1 week. So what we find from experience and talking to our students is that this block teaching mode brings great flexibility. It brings flexibility in how you learn, in how you balance your academic work and your home life. So it offers great flexibility to the way you embark upon undertaking this course. Now in this slide I show that you have assessments to do, and of course all of your modules will have assessments, but there's no exams at this MSc level. All of the work will be assessed by coursework, and it's varied. So you'll have to write reports, you'll be involved in delivering presentations, you'll be involved in discussing issues in class, you'll be involved in role play scenarios where you're given a particular role to play, perhaps in dispute management, and you'll have to defend your position, and that will be assessed. So it's really blended. It's there to challenge you and be rewarding. So based on that, we generate graduates who are highly qualified and give us continual strong feedback. So here's a couple of quotes from the students, recent students, and the feedback is very similar. The course was enjoyable, the staff are extremely supportive, it's helped to progress my career. So we hope that you join this alumni, this construction management MSc alumni, of which there's many people. This course is recognized locally and nationally. It's an established course. As I mentioned before, it's a high ranking course, and I'm sure that if you embark on this course, you will be giving us equally strong feedback after your studies. Now, if you'd like to find out some more information, there's a couple of places that I would point you towards. First of all is the online prospectus for this course. So if you go to the Ulster University homepage, you'll see on the homepage a course search area. And if you type in construction or construction management, you will be pointed towards the online prospectus for either the part-time or the full-time version on the course. And all of the information you require is there. All of the module information is there, how you join, the fees, almost everything that you need to know is provided in that online prospectus. There's contacts that you can make use of in terms of admissions if you have any questions or queries. And the online procedure is very straightforward. It's an online application process. You can apply any time up to the start of the course, although numbers can be limited, so the sooner you apply, the better. So that's the best place to go to learn more information about the course. In addition to that, there's a postgraduate area on the Ulster University website, which provides more holistic information. And there's a really good frequently asked questions section there, and information about fees and funding. All of the information you need about getting involved with the university and getting involved with the course can be found online in these locations. My final point is in relation to COVID. So the university is currently making preparations to welcome all of our new students for the next academic year, starting in September. And of course, as an institution, we're doing that as safely as we can and in line with all government guidance. And if you have a concern, please visit the area of the website highlighted here on the slide to read more about what the university is doing in relation to coronavirus and to protecting you as you join us for your studies. Okay, that brings me to the end of this information session. I hope you found it useful, and I really look forward to welcoming you onto the MSc in Construction Management.